Yo, 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 welcome to pre-release 2. I know I haven't updated in like 3 months, but this is a huge update in my defense, and before I get into why I've been gone, I'm going to show you every single feature. Starting off big, we have air horns. Whenever you right-click this thing, it makes noise. The best part is that whenever it's in close proximity to other objects, such as creepers or tennis balls, you can blow them away. Then we have the upgraded version of that, which is the leaf. Oh, sorry, hold on, that's for later. This is the leaf blower. This is basically the super version. Do you guys want to be leaf blown? Next up, we have 2 new masks. This is the Pikachu hat. This is the eye patch, and you can put him on in here. Oh, also, I fixed that dual equipping bug from a few times ago, so you can put this on. It starts out really weirdly, and they have Pikachu following you around, oh yes. Now, I can click straight on the eye patch, and it'll automatically de-equip this one, and now you have your own free eye patch without being pulled over in public. Now, as to how I'm switching through items in my inventory super fast, I added a new feature to where you can use the scroll wheel to change between different items. The item is also displayed on the upper right, so you can tell which one you have. Let's get a really tall ladder into the map real quick. Alright, so we're all familiar with these, and we have been for the last 10 versions or so. You can climb the ladders, and they get like, super big. In previous versions, everything was scaled the same. In the first pre-release of this game, link in the description, if you were to download it and play it, you'd notice that if you had a small monitor, everything would be scaled the same as on a big monitor. This is no longer the case because I can shrink my window automatically by hitting the developer console, and now everything scales automatically. Granted, we have some empty space down here, but you get to spy on your neighbors, and everything still works just the same. This means that you can go to different computers and play on different monitors, and your worlds will look the same, which leads me to the next topic. You can download worlds now. If you hit escape, you have a couple of... Oh yeah, I forgot to show collectibles. First, you're going to want to export the world, and you can name it whatever you want and hit export world. Now, I've already done that a couple of times because I can import my own worlds. Now, it'll tell you that this world, if you don't save it, it's not going to get saved. I don't care. You can go ahead and import a new one. Oh, looky there, my recorder crashed. Looky there, we have a previously saved world. It's even got some sky div here. Oh, what? This isn't crazy enough for you? Here, how about this? Wait, why are you guys frozen? Yes, I found the problem. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, solved our problem. If you want to know it in detail, stay to the end of the video. Alright, now while these guys are trading away their money for air horns, I'm going to show you these collectibles. So you might open it up and notice that it looks kind of weird and goofy. Now this is still a work in progress, but essentially you have these different collections, is what they're called, and you can, collect them from stands. Now, not yet though. You're not able to implement them into stands yet, but we're getting kind of close. If you want to, close your collection, you can just push that button. But I don't have anything collected yet. You can do that through the development console with a new section known as collectibles. You have the comic, the flappy face, and the creeper head collection that we currently have installed. Now, the comics are just label 1 through 5. There's going to be a lot more. It's supposed to be the biggest collection, but I don't have the resources for it yet. How is that guy floating? Once you've collected one of each, or at least one, it'll look like this. The collection part of the code was actually finished on Ashton's 16th birthday, which was a little under a month ago, which is why this is here. I actually made a t-shirt for him a year ago with all of these faces on it, and I figured it'd be nice to kind of, add it as a collection and stuff. So, if you have a world that you want to show one of your friends, you can go ahead and export it, and they can import it, and, everything's fine and dandy. And this will stay throughout the versions, by the way, so you don't have to worry. Also, it works similar to Minecraft when you try to load worlds from different versions. It'll warn you, but you can still keep going and stuff like that. So, you don't... Alright, now for the less interesting stuff. I haven't been doing a lot of the programming on this lately because I made a documentary on this video game for school. And it took a lot out of me. I made a video on how it affected me physically and mentally over on my gaming channel, link in the description. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show the documentary to you, but I was able to show the music that I made for it on my music channel, also in the description. I haven't been programming a lot on this, though, after that documentary, just because I got really, really burned out of this game after that, just with how strenuous it was on me. And then eventually I actually forgot to update it, but I've been adding things here and there, and I finally found some time to, really crack down on it, so I'm happy with the way that this turned out. Also, big release coming up, okay? I might actually fully release this game by October 27th. And I know that sounds like a really specific date, but it's a special date for me and for my friends, and so I figured I might as well just post it then. I don't know. But I'm hoping to get there by Alpha 1.20, or what would be Alpha 1.20. Now that I think about it, I could probably just release this as like Beta 1.0, and then all the versions up until the release date would be, beta versions. Okay, I think I'll do that instead, now that I'm thinking about it out loud. We're officially in the beta stage, woohoo! Also, I've been developing this for almost 11 months now. Wow. That really flew by. Also, for those computer geeks interested, the reason why the creepers weren't getting reanimated, I originally thought it was because my time interval objects weren't getting reset, but I figured out that it was actually just the cycle, the creeper AI cycle. It's a closed loop, meaning that if it gets interrupted with, then it doesn't really trigger again, and so you can produce problems that way. But I fixed everything, and now everything's on its way. Anyways, this version is publicly available on my GitHub page, link in the description, and I hope to release some beta versions soon. Bye-bye, guys.